Is it started?
This is gonna be cool.
Alright. How long should we put it in for?
I don't know, man.
Yeah,
Let's put it in for an indefinite period of time. Like,
let's just try 2 minutes, I think. I think that's what the dude did.
okay. I hope this doesn't explode.
Yeah. Worst things have happened than soap exploding. Literally anything else exploding is worse. Does anything happen? Oh shit.
I smell something. Oh my god. Dude.
Oh god, dude, look at it. It's like a geyser. Oh no. This isn't happening the same way it did on Reddit. Oh my god. Soap fumes.
Ah, fuck. My eyes.
Look, oh my god.
Dude. That's a lot of fumes.
Someone wanted to kill us. That's not a croissant.
Dude, this is much. Holy shit. This is like a highly effective air freshener. Okay, dude. I think you should turn off the microphone.
Alright, so Reddit told us it would turn into a croissant. Let's see what happened. Ooh.
Oh my god.
Well, Reddit,
Uh,
does that look like a croissant to you? I think not. Huh.
no. Not,
Yeah, well,
not a croissant.
cool.
Great. Verified.